Hey there, beach lovers and tropical paradise seekers. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of Travelers Beach Resort in Negril, Jamaica. This family-owned gem has been catching the eyes of budget-conscious travelers, looking for that perfect blend of Caribbean charm and laid-back vibes. So grab your virtual coconut drink, and let's explore what makes this 3-star resort a hidden treasure on the stunning Jamaican coastline. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Travelers Beach Resort offers a cozy collection of about 60 accommodations that won't break the bank. Picture this. You're lounging in a comfortable standard room, complete with climate control to keep you cool in that tropical heat. Some lucky guests even score adjoining terraces or balconies, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while gazing at the ocean. Now don't expect palatial suites here. These rooms are more on the snug side, embracing that intimate Caribbean style. But hey, who needs a massive room when paradise is right outside your door? Each room comes equipped with the essentials: a mini fridge for keeping your drinks cool, complimentary Wi-Fi to make your friends back home jealous with your beach pics, and a cable flat-screen TV for those rare moments when you're not soaking up the sun. You'll also find ironing facilities, because wrinkled beach attire is so last season, a hair dryer for taming those sea salt locks, and bath sheets soft enough to make you consider a life as a permanent beach bum. The bathrooms are a treat too, with walk-in showers to rinse off the sand, and some units even boast hot tubs for a little extra luxury. Now let's talk views. While not every room offers an ocean vista, some lucky guests wake up to the sight of waves lapping at the shore. And even if you don't snag an ocean view, the lush tropical gardens surrounding the resort are a feast for the eyes. The rooms are praised for their cleanliness, which is always a plus when you're trying to forget about your real-life responsibilities back home. One thing to note: some guests have mentioned that the rooms could use a bit of a facelift. But hey, when you're paying rates starting around $59 per night, depending on the season and how savvy you are with booking, a few dated furnishings seem like a fair trade-off for that sweet beachfront location. Speaking of location, let's chat about the beach and pool situation. Travelers Beach Resort boasts a private sandy beach that's about a 15-minute stroll from your room. It's the perfect distance for working up a sweat before cooling off in the crystal-clear Caribbean waters. If you're feeling extra adventurous, Long Bay Beach is just a 10-minute drive away. The resort provides loungers on their private beach area, so you can sunbathe in style without having to lug your own chair around. For those days when salt water isn't your jam, the resort has got you covered with a centrally located outdoor swimming pool. It's not one of those fancy infinity pools you see on Instagram, but it does the job of keeping you cool and refreshed. Plus, there's poolside service with loungers and towels, so you can live your best vacation life without lifting a finger. Now let's talk grub. The main dining venue at Travelers Beach Resort serves up Caribbean cuisine that'll have your taste buds doing the limbo. Fresh seafood and local specialties are the stars of the show here. Picture yourself at a casual beachfront restaurant, sand between your toes, as you dig into the catch of the day. The dress code? Beach casual, of course. This isn't the place for your fancy dinner attire. While they don't publish their menus online, gotta keep some mystery, right? You can expect breakfast, lunch, and dinner options that cater to both adventurous eaters and those who prefer familiar flavors. The restaurant offers both indoor seating and outdoor patio areas, so you can choose between air-conditioned comfort or dining under the stars. During peak seasons, it's a good idea to make reservations, but they're pretty chill about walk-ins too. One of the highlights that guests rave about is the nightly entertainment. The resort knows how to keep the party going with live music performances that'll have you swaying to Caribbean rhythms long after the sun goes down. It's the perfect way to cap off a day of beach bumming and sun soaking. For those who like to stay active on vacation, we see you overachievers. Travelers Beach Resort has a small gym equipped with basic fitness gear. It's not going to rival your fancy health club back home, but it's enough to help you work off some of those pina coladas. And while there's no full-service spa on site, the resort's laid-back atmosphere is practically a wellness treatment in itself. Now, let's talk about the kiddos. While Travelers Beach Resort doesn't have a formal kids club or extensive children's programming, it's still a family-friendly spot. The casual atmosphere and beachfront location make it easy for families to create their own fun, Kids can splash in the pool, build sandcastles on the beach, or join in on the resort's lively atmosphere. Just don't expect a full-blown kids' paradise with organized activities and babysitting services. This is more of a make-your-own adventure kind of place for families. One of the best things about Travelers Beach Resort is its prime location near some of Negril's hottest attractions. You're just a stone's throw away from the famous 7 Mile Beach, about 2 kilometers of pristine coastline that'll make you question why you ever vacation anywhere else. The Peter Tosh Monument is nearby for music lovers, and Margaritaville Negril is within walking distance for those seeking a little Jimmy Buffett-inspired paradise. For nature enthusiasts, the Royal Palm Reserve is just a short taxi ride away. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort can help you arrange excursions and tours to explore more of Jamaica's natural wonders and cultural sites. Just chat with the friendly staff, and they'll hook you up with all the insider tips on where to go and what to see. Now, let's get real for a minute and talk about the overall experience at Travelers Beach Resort. This place is all about offering a slice of Caribbean paradise without the luxury price tag. Guests consistently rave about the warm, attentive staff who go above and beyond to make your stay memorable. The beachfront location is a major win, putting you right in the heart of Negril's famous coastline. The resort's strengths lie in its laid-back atmosphere, affordable rates, and that million-dollar view that comes standard with every stay. It's the kind of place where you can truly unwind, forget about your worries, and embrace the no-problem, man attitude that Jamaica is famous for. However, it's not all coconuts and sunshine. Some guests have noted that the rooms could use a bit of updating. If you're expecting cutting-edge design and ultra-modern amenities, you might want to adjust your expectations. This is more about Caribbean charm than sleek luxury. And while the early morning bird calls might be music to some ears, light sleepers might want to pack some earplugs for those nature-induced wake-up calls. What really makes Travelers Beach Resort stand out is its authentic Jamaican vibe. This isn't a cookie-cutter resort that could be plucked from any tropical location. The family-owned touch means you're getting a genuine slice of Jamaican hospitality. The nightly entertainment adds a lively local flavor that you won't find at bigger, more impersonal resorts. While the resort doesn't have extensive conference facilities, they do offer space for small gatherings or events. It's not going to host your next big corporate retreat, but it's perfect for intimate destination weddings or small group getaways. One of the most heartwarming aspects of Travelers Beach Resort is the stories guests share about their experiences. From staff members remembering guests' names and preferences year after year, to surprise room upgrades for honeymooners. It's these personal touches that leave lasting impressions. Guests often recount how the owner himself mingles with visitors, sharing stories and ensuring everyone feels like part of the Travelers family. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.